A lot of people want to start their online business, but they just don't know where to begin. There are a lot of complicated books and courses out there that promise you'll be successful if you follow their steps, but not all of them will work for everyone. In this video, I put together the 12 most important business tips for beginners that you need to know in order to succeed at starting your online business. And no, I'm not going to tell you to find a niche and find a problem and solve it. Those are all things that you can see and hear at other videos. I'm going to give you 12 real tips that you need to know in order to find success with your online business. For the best tips and tricks for affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with AlstonGodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I am going to provide 12 tips that you need to know as a beginner if you want to start and grow a successful online business. And as I mentioned, I'm not going to tell you silly things like check your analytics. Those are all common knowledge. Those are all obvious things that you'll need to learn eventually. But right now, these are the most important things that you need to know. Now, #1, pick one business and stay with it. If you watch YouTube, you are going to be thrown hundreds, if not thousands of videos where people are telling you that dropshipping is going to work, or affiliate marketing is going to work, or selling t-shirts are going to work. Pick one business that works best for you and stick with it. If you stick it out over the long period of time, you're going to have a better chance of finding success rather than switching your business every 6 months. People that switch their business or have what's called shiny object syndrome eventually quit because they just never find success. And the problem is they just don't stick with it long enough. So #1, pick one business type and stick with it. Ideally, you probably want to stick with it for at least a year. Stick with it until you make your first $1,000, and then you can really decide for yourself if this is an online business that you want to pursue. It's important that you give yourself enough time to see if you're going to be successful in the long run or if it's just not going to work. #2, be consistent. One of the biggest issues that people have when starting an online business is they're not consistent. They may create a piece of content, or they may go out on social media and tell their friends and family that they're starting an online business, and then they take a break. They create one piece of content every 3 days, and then they wonder why nothing's happening. If you want to be successful, approach your online business like a regular job. You've got to show up every day, you've got to put in work every day, and you've got to be consistent. What I also recommend too, in addition to being consistent, continue to build on top of whatever you've done yesterday. Yesterday, if you learned a new skill, make sure that you apply that skill. Make sure that you really understand it and try and teach that skill to someone else so that you really, really understand it and you know it. So be consistent and build. It's just like building a house. You have to start at the very bottom at the foundation and continue layering on top of one another. After being consistent, don't waste your time trying to sell to friends and family. This is a big one. And as an online marketer, internet entrepreneur, whatever you want to call yourself, you're going to spend some time trying to sell your friends and family on A, the product or service that you are selling, and B, on how this is such a good opportunity. Most of your friends and family aren't going to care. They may be supportive. Not a lot are going to be supportive. Let's be honest. There's going to be let's say out of 100 friends, 25 are going to be supportive, and 1 or 2 may look in to see what you're doing. Do not try and sell your business to your friends and family because they can't see the vision that you have. You can talk until you're blue in the face about how this is such a good opportunity, how I'm really passionate about it. They can't see the vision, and it's going to be almost impossible to try and convince them of the vision until you show them some numbers, some results at the end of the day. So don't try and sell to your friends and family. It's just going to make you tired, frustrated, and angry, and it's going to push you closer to giving up than to finding the success that you're looking for. So after not selling to friends and family, #4, and in my opinion, this is huge. This is critical to your success. You are going to fail. Understand that if you are starting a business and you have no experience or very limited experience with starting a business, you are going to fail. I know that you see people on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, they're telling you that they made 30 grand yesterday with whatever product or service that they're selling, but you're going to fail, and that's okay. The only way that you can successfully make an online business, create an online business, is to understand that you are going to fail. It's going to be tough. You're going to go days without maybe any leads. You're going to go days without sales. You have to use that failure as a learning experience to figure out what happened. Why is your funnel broken? What's going on? What's not working, and how you can improve it. It's very important to realize that everybody starts off in the very beginning failing, stumbling, tripping, as long as you can go back and acknowledge that, hey, you failed, and you try and figure out why you failed, you are going to put yourself in a good position to find the level of success that you're looking for. Oftentimes when people start an online business, they try and compare themselves to someone that's been in business for 10 years and they're making 7-8 figures. When if you're just getting started and you don't have any leads, you don't have any sales, you might not even have a product, you are going to find all the roadblocks. You are going to find all the bumps in the road, and it's going to feel difficult. But everyone that started an online business has been in that exact same position that you're in. Don't let someone else's success deter you from continuing on with your business, even if you run into some initial hurdles or roadblocks. You are going to fail, but that's okay. Just know that it is okay that you may fail a few times, a few weeks. As long as you don't give up, you can find the success that you're looking for. All right, so number 5 is don't take advice from people that have never done what you're trying to do. Another hurdle or roadblock or frustration that you'll often see is you're going to talk to people about starting an online business, and they're going to give you advice. They're going to tell you, don't do this, don't do that, don't spend any money. But unfortunately, those people have never gone through the process of trying an online business. So they can't tell you with confidence that you shouldn't spend money, when in reality, you probably will need to invest in email marketing at some point. But spend your time listening and doing your own research and following people that have done the things that you want to do, that have found the level of success that you're looking for. It's vitally important. You don't listen to people, you don't talk to people that have never attempted to start any business, let alone an online business. So make sure that you are taking advice from people that have actually put in the work and either found success or found failure with starting an online business. Number 6, real businesses don't spend money, they invest in their business. Now, you can search on YouTube how to make money online for free, how to start affiliate marketing for free, how to start an online business for free. Most times the people that try and get started for free, they wind up either wasting more time or they spend a lot more money than they have to because they're trying to go the free or the cheapo route. There are things that you will absolutely need to buy for your online business, but those are investments. For example, email marketing. To me, email marketing is probably the most important thing that you can do. And for the most part, it's not free. You're going to need to pay for a landing or web page builder, and you're going to need to pay for an email marketing service. There are ways that you can reduce the amount of money that you pay for it each month, but know that going in that you should be investing in some tools for your business. You should probably invest in courses. That can be either through a site like Udemy, or you can invest in premium courses. That's 100% up to you. I recommend that you don't go in with the mindset that you're going to go and do this for free, because free is going to either cost you more time in the long run or more money. Have a game plan on things that you should and should not spend money on. Maybe like a website you should spend money on, email marketing, those are important. Maybe some tools like a microphone if you are going to create YouTube videos and lighting. Don't think you're going to do this all for free, all cheapo, because those people often have a difficult time finding the level of success that they're looking for. Number 7 is email marketing. Now, you probably heard me talk about email marketing multiple times in this video because I think email marketing is vitally important. If you're not collecting email addresses, if you're not following up with people every day or every other day, you are missing out on a huge opportunity. So if you don't think email marketing is important, think about your buying habits. When you first see a new product, do you immediately jump out and buy right away? No, you probably go out and do a little bit of research, you do some comparison videos, you try and find what other people are saying about the product. Also, you probably open up a few emails from the product owner. That's the power of email marketing. You can stay top of mind, front of mind of your target audience or your potential customer, and it can give you an opportunity to make sales 24 hours a day. So I want you to commit yourself to learning and doing email marketing, because that's really the true way to grow and scale an online business. After email marketing, be stubborn. There are going to be times where people are going to say, hey, let's go do this, or you don't need to focus on your online business. You want to be stubborn, you want to be consistent and persistent in your effort so that you can get the results that you're looking for. The easiest way to think of your online business is like a flower. You plant a seed today, and if you put in a lot of work up front, you water it, you continue to nurture it, and you try and grow it every single day, eventually you are going to start seeing the results of putting in that hard work. There are going to be people that are trying to deter you either consciously or subconsciously because they're afraid of your success. So what I recommend is you set time aside every single day, give yourself a plan of action and execute that plan. Go out, say, today I'm going to send out a few emails. Today I'm going to I'm going to create my social media post for the entire month so that you can reap the rewards of the success that you're looking for. Be stubborn in your online business. Again, people are going to try and deter you from that. They're going to want you to come and hang out. They're going to want you to focus on something else. But if you're serious about creating an online business, you must be stubborn in order to find the level of success that you're looking for. Number 9, and this is going to be a real quick one, is just charging too little. Oftentimes we don't charge enough because we feel like we're not worthy of making more money. For example, we could have a 1,000-page guide on how to do something step by step, and then we may only sell it for 99 cents because we have a mental hurdle or roadblock telling us that we're not worth charging, $99 for this product, or no one will ever buy. Believe it or not, there is a target market and a target audience at every single price point. You can sell an ebook for $49.99 as long as it's valuable and it solves someone's problem. Now remember, when you're creating products and services, they either need to save people time or save people money. And the more they do one of the other, the more that you can charge. If you have a product that's going to save someone 3 hours per day, you can obviously charge a little bit more for it. But one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of people make is telling themselves that they're not worth more money until they charge less, thinking that this is actually going to help them out a little bit more. But in reality, don't be afraid to charge a little bit more. If no one buys it, you can always reduce the price down. But that's something that you need to make sure that you consider and think about when you're creating or selling your products and services. Next, I think you should become very good at one thing. And with regard to social media or YouTube or blogging, whatever your thing is, focus on it and become the master, become the subject matter expert, become the go-to person when it comes to that thing. People will naturally gravitate to you when you become that subject matter expert. That thing can be t-shirt design, that thing could be affiliate marketing or drop shipping, whatever it may be. Become very good at just that one thing. I'm sure you've heard the saying before, jack of all trades is a master of none, but you want to master one and become a subject matter expert, and people are going to come to you because you know that subject. Next, and most importantly, be you. Nobody needs another Elon Musk or Steve Jobs or Tim Cook. Be yourself. There are going to be people, believe it or not, there are going to be people that come to you when you are yourself. If you are weird, if you're outgoing, if you're an introvert, whatever you are, just be yourself. You have to remember there are 8 billion people on the world and 4 billion people have access to the internet. If you are yourself, you will naturally attract people that are like you, and you are going to help them solve their problems. So if you are a little weird, if you have a weird laugh, if you're just outgoing, you're out there, that's okay. There is a target market for that group of people. If you are just yourself, if you are comfortable with being yourself, you will be able to find the level of success that you're looking for. It's when we try and be other people. It's when we try and be Russell Brunson, when we fail to find success because there's already a Russell Brunson out there. Be you. And finally, just put your head down and get to work. A lot of times we spend so much time looking around, trying to figure out what other people are doing. We spend and waste so much time when we could be creating content and figuring it out for ourselves. Now, there are tons of blueprints out there, but not every blueprint is going to work the exact same way. So what I recommend is when you find your online business, put your head down, get to work, and you're going to get to the success that you're looking for much sooner than if you watch video after video, you read blog after blog, or you read book after book. Now that you know my 12 tips to start an online business, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.